today I am going to tell you additional accessibility keyboard shortcut which will help you to access the ease of access center. Right shift for 8 seconds, turn filter key on or off, left alter left shift plus print screen, turn contrast on or off, left alter left shift plus numlock, turn mouse key on or off, shift 5 times, turn sticky key on, numlock for 5 seconds, turn toggle key on or off. Window logo key plus U open the ease of access center. Window logo key plus Ctrl plus C turn color filter on or off. Window logo key plus Ctrl plus N open narrator setting. Window logo key plus Ctrl plus S turn on window speech recognition. Window logo key plus Ctrl plus O turn on screen keyboard. So if you want detail, go to Ratan Agarwal IT Informate my channel and please subscribe if you like it. Thank you.